Hello, I am Lakshmi Prashant and welcome to this video. To reboot ourselves from the busy IT life, we chose to do beach trek. So our journey began at 9 in the night where the air was chilling. After 10 hours of sleepless journey, we were greeted by blissful visuals and sounds of the Nirvana beach. To keep things moving fast, the breakfast preparation started in the open air. The menu was coffee, lemon rice and tamarind rice. Only for freshening up, we used the facilities of Parna Kutira homestay. As I checked with them personally, they charge around Rs 500 per head for complete accommodation. This homestay has good facilities. They will set up tents, fire camps and even prepare breakfasts. But breakfasts are separately charged. From homestay, we reached Kumta by bus. Our trek started from here. The day one plan for today is to trek via Kumta Beach, Vannalli Beach, Mangodlu Beach, Kadle Beach and Holanagadde Beach. Then have lunch at Sri Ramanjanaya Temple at Holangadde. Then restart our trek via Bada Beach, Hubbanagiri Beach and Nirvana Beach. Please keep in mind that there are many beaches in our journey. At present, I am walking between the regions of Kumta Beach and Vannalli Beach. There is nice pavement road to Vannalli Beach from Kumta Beach. And this view is good. There are different terrains in our journey. Some are smooth, some are rocky and some are slippery. In the starting of journey, I saw people have thrown used bottles, plastics and made the place dirty. These acts reduces the enjoyment of trekkers. Me and Vishak reached Vannalli Beach main area. This is our first contact with water. Vannalli Beach also has small harbour. It is also a home to lot of fishermen. Walking into this beach water felt like carrying freedom. No one was there except we trekkers and some children. Let's meet them. Our trek guide is offering oranges to these cute children. Say hi to them. Now we were on our journey to Mangodlu Beach. We had to trek via a small hill and a rocky path. Meet Vikas, who was with us for the whole journey, giving company to us. Hi. Put our trek lead. Okay, he's Putta, the founder of the Charaniga community. Let's talk about them. This is my fourth trek with them. The unique thing about them is they are non-commercial trekking community and not even interested in opening a website. And they do a lot of remote treks and details are shared only in WhatsApp. The cost of this trek is only 3000 rupees for 2 days. So you can understand from this. They also do a plastic clearing treks and lot of Kannada literature community building events. They have planned the same trek in next month. Check the video description for the link to their Facebook page. Beach is on the other end of this big rocky path. Be cautious, the rocks can be slippery, so walk in slower pace. After this, we will see smaller rocks and it's too easy to walk. Then travel via bushes. Watch out for sharp-edged plants. Finally reached Mangodlu beach. This is nothing less than an isolated place. Take some time and enjoy here. I spent around 30 minutes here. We have already completed 3 beaches. Now this is our last beach. From this stretch to that stretch, it is of 8 kilometers. Now we are walking in Kadle beach. This place feels like path to heaven. Say hi. Hey, nice art. On our way, saw some crabs got trapped in fishing net. So why not send them back to the water? The trick is to hold the crab from the pointy sides and pick them up. It was lunchtime. We were served with sweet holige and chapatis. Also the food was unlimited. Now we are back to trek. I was having some fun time chasing crab. But the crab got angry, so left from there. We finally reached Nirvana beach, completing the 8-kilometer stretch. The sun went to fade and the moon started to share its light. Our dinner was getting cooked and our bed was getting prepared under 5 billion stars. And the night sky was breathtaking. The next day started with fancier workout, doing meditation and push-ups at the seashores. I enjoyed this a lot. Let me introduce you to all the co-trekkers. The trek group contained all age people.
Everyone, ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಪಲಾವು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ನಾಷ್ಟ.
Awesome food.
ಮೊಸರು ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಪಲಾವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪಲಾವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ
The journey started. The plan for today will be explained by our guide.
ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನು?
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಘನಾಶಿನಿ ರಿವರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫೆರ್ರಿಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಡೈಸ್ ಬೆಲಕನೆ ಬೀಚ್,
ಓಕೆ
ತದಡಿ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಫಿಶಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ತದಡಿ ಫೋರ್ಟು.
ಓಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೆಲಕನ್ ಬೀಚ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ಯಾರಡೈಸ್ ಬೀಚ್, ಹಾಫನ್ ಬೀಚ್, ಹೋಮ್ ಬೀಚ್.
ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು 7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್.
7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀನು
ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ
ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ
ಅಘನಾಶಿನಿ ರಿವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫೆರಿ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದು.
ಓಕೆ. ಇದು
ಸೊ ಅಘನಾಶಿನಿ ರಿವರ್ ಉಂಚಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಶಿರ್ಸಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ. ಉಂಚಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಸಮುದ್ರ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಘನಾಶಿನಿ ರಿವರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಕೇವ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಕೇವ್?
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಶೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗಿ
ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಕೇವ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋದಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಂಗ್ ಬರೋದಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಏನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯಪ್ಪ. ಹಲೋ, ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ.
We are inside the cave.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರು ತೆಗೀರಿ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೀಚ್ ಹತ್ರ
After crossing the Agastya caves, we have to travel to the ferry port via the small village.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ ಇವ್ರೆ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ?
ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಓಡು 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 ಓಡು.
ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ.
ಲೀಡರ್ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ
ಇವರು ಬ್ಯಾಡು
ಹಾಂ.
ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ
ಗುಟ್ಟು ಬಾಯ್.
ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆನೇ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ.
We reached the Aghanasini ferry port. This is the place where the river and sea meets. Don't go into the water as the depth is too deep here. The cost of the ferry ride is around 10 to 15 rupees. We reached the Tadadi port in 5 minutes. After completing God's own beach, now we are walking on the sides of Belacan beach. After this, we have to cross the long hill by trekking to reach the Paradise Beach. You will see some caves and water sports here, and it's also little crowded. Have a look at top view of Paradise Beach. Isn't it beautiful? Next we were on our way to the Half Moon Beach. In our journey, this path was comparatively difficult. We reached Half Moon Beach and the name matches with the beach shape. This is small beach and we didn't spend much time here. To reach our final destination, we have to cross the hill in front of us. Currently we are in Dolphin Viewpoint. After Dolphin Viewpoint, in small distance we will reach Om Beach Viewpoint. The name Om is because the beach shape is in the form of Om or number 3. Currently we have reached Om Beach and it is so relaxing walking in this beach water. The first part of Om Beach is fully crowded compared to the second part. You will see many beachside snack shops, water sports and cafes. Due to lack of time, we didn't spend much time here. And left to Om Beach to Gokarna bus stand in auto. The charge is 50 rupees per head. As a bonus, we went to the mangrove forest. Our journey ended with dinner and dessert. Nature sprays a magical spell on you when you are with it. This spell makes you forget your pain, makes the unknown people to known, and fills your heart with joy. I feel a big difference in energy after completing journey, and I will be ready to do it again.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ